standard 10. Yesterday I have told you that I will solve some example from this practice book. Okay, so purchase the Navneet practice book. It is very nice. Okay, we will do also example from this one. Okay, so I have taken exercise number 8, example number 10. State true or false. Up to 19 we have done. We have done 17, 18, 19 and 20. Just now we will start it. I have already sent it by the in PDF files. PDF files ના અંદર આ તમને હમણાં તમે નહીં લીધી હોય એટલા માટે મેં તમને આ મોકલી આપેલી છે with answer. ઓકે, એટલે એમાંના અમુક સિલેક્ટેડ મેં અહીંયા લઈ લીધેલા છે, બાકીના તમે જાતે કરજો. નહીં આવડે તો ફરીથી પાછા આપણે જોઈ લઈશું. The value of cos square true or false. Value of cos square 23 minus sin square 67 is positive. It is wrong. It is false. Why it is false? It is false. Why it is false? Because cos square 23 is nothing but sin square 67. 23 plus 67 90. So from that we will get the idea. Okay. अथवा आने change करो. Cos square 23 minus cos square 90 minus 67. The cos square 23 minus cos square 23. This and this is equal to 0. 0 is not negative, not positive. Okay. So a positive होगा, but it is a wrong. चलो second 1 plus cos square theta sec square theta left hand side 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, that is 1 upon cos square theta sin square theta upon cos theta square root માં છે એટલે આપણે theta કાઢી નાખ્યું. So it is tan theta is equal to RHS. So it is true. It is true. Tangent of 2 theta plus into tan theta plus 2 to tan theta plus 1 is equal to 5 tan theta plus sec square theta. Just expand it. A plus b, c plus d. Tan theta 2 theta plus 1 to 2 theta plus 2 tan theta plus 2 tan square theta, tan theta into 1 tan theta 2 2s are 4 tan theta 2 1s are 2. Now 2 tan square theta plus 5 theta. This plus this 4 plus 1 5 tan theta plus 2 tan square theta आने में ही आ लिया वो I is equal 2 common tan square theta plus 5 tan theta 2 tan theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta 2 sec square theta plus 5 tan theta. So it is wrong because here 2 is not given, only sec square theta is given. So it is false. Is not equal to right hand side. समझ पड़ गई? So it is false. Now example number 4. Example number 4. So if a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1, a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1, then the value of 2 sin theta can be a plus 1 upon a. A plus 1 upon a is always greater than 2. Be careful. हमेशा 2 करता વધારે આવે. And sin theta is always lies between 0 and 1. એટલે આ 0 અને 1 ની 1 it is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. So suppose 0 a is equal to 0.1. 0.1 plus 1 upon 0, so it is 10.1. So it is not there. 2 sin theta ની વેલ્યુ આપણે કેવી આવી જોઈએ? 0 to 1 ની વચ્ચે. A 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 1 1. So you will 2.00. 0.09. So a plus 1 always greater than 2. એટલે આ તમે ગમે તે વેલ્યુ લેશો 1 સિવાય 1 લેશો તો 2 આવી જશે, તો 2 આવી જશે. But he says that a is not equal to 1. So you cannot. So it is greater than 2. So 2 sin theta always greater than 2. I not equal to 2. So a plus 1 upon a is greater than 1. So it is a false. It is false. Okay. Fifth yourself. 6 sin theta is greater than cosec theta, but naturally it is false. Sin theta is always lies between 0 and 1, and cosec theta is always greater than 1. So that is not possible. Okay. Sin theta is always less than 1, not less than cosec theta. Cosec theta 1 કરતા વધારે આવે ને sin theta ઓછો આવે. બાકીના જે છે 7 8 9 10 વોટેડ મે બી ટ્રાય યોરસેલ્ફ ટ્રુ ફોલ્સ છે અમુક સિલેક્ટેડ કરાવી દીધા. પાછું આપણે થોડો રિવર્સ ડાયરેક્શનમાં જઈએ. મેં તમને 17 થી ચાલુ કરેલા સ્મોલ सम्स. હવે એક્સરસાઇઝ નંબર 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 અપ ટુ 9 ટ્રાય યોરસેલ્ફ. 10th હું એક લઈ લીધેલો છે અહીંયા આગળ. મેં 10 2 sin raised to 6 theta cos raised to 6 theta minus 3 sin raised to 4 cos raised to 4 sin square theta એ વેલ્યુ શોધવાની છે. is equal to 2 sin square theta cube plus cos square theta cube minus 3 sin raised to 4 cos raised to 4. S stands for sin theta, C for the cos theta, plus 4 into 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is equal to 2. आना फैक्टराइज करो. s square plus c square a cube plus b cube s raised to 4 plus प्लस ने અહીંયા પ્લસ છે એટલે માઈનસ s square c square plus c raised to 4 minus 3 s raised to 4 minus 3 c raised to 4 plus 1. 2 into that is 1. s raised to 4 minus c square s square plus c raised to 4 minus 3 s raised to 4 minus 3 c raised to 4 plus 1 is equal to 2 s raised to 4 minus 2 s square c square plus c raised to 4 minus 3 s raised to 4 plus 3 c raised to 4. That is your false, not 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are so આ 4 હું પહેલો લખું છું 4 plus 2 s raised to 4 minus 3 is equal to minus s raised to 4 minus 2 s plus c square minus c raised to 4 3 minus 2 c raised to 4. So 4 minus s raised to 4 s square c square plus c raised to 4. So 4 minus s square plus c square whole square. 4 minus 1 no square. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Example number 11. From that 1 and 2 you do yourself. I have taken third. 1 upon sec theta minus 1 tan theta minus 1 upon cos theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta minus 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta. Okay. If you adapt this method, SC method, then you can do it. But it is little bit lengthy. So I have taken another methods. I will show you. I will put the identities of this one. One ni identities હું લખું છું. There is a man lots of identities of one. sin square theta plus cos square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta, cosec square theta minus cot square theta. But I will select sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, related આપણે પસંદ કરી લેવાની. P106 page number. Sec square theta minus tan square theta upon sec theta minus tan theta 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. Now I will take it factor upon sec theta minus tan theta, and that is your minus sec theta. Okay, that is your minus sec theta. Okay, this and this cancel. Sec theta minus tan theta minus sec theta. Is it clear? Sec theta minus tan theta cancel. Sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta cancel. Tan theta, that is your result number 1. Now right hand side. If you simplify the right hand side, you will get the same answer. 1 upon cos theta minus 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta. चलो હવે કોની આઇડેન્ટિટીઝ લખશું આપણે? I will write the identities of this one. Okay, 1 upon sec cos theta is equal to sec theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. I will factorize this one. Now factorize करूँ. Sec theta minus sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta, that is cancel. Sec theta, due to this minus, I will say change this sign. Sec theta minus minus plus tan theta, sec theta cancel. Tan theta, that is 2 by 1 and 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Get it? એટલે આપણે શું કરવાનું, અહીંયા આગળ sec square theta minus tan square theta ફેક્ટર્સ કરી કાઢશો તો સીધું tan theta આવી જશે. અહીંયા આની આઇડેન્ટિટીઝ લખી દેજો. ફેક્ટર્સ કરી કાઢશો, ઉપર નીચે it is cancellations, so you will get the tan theta. No doubt, if you do the SC method, you can do it, but little bit it is lengthy. Okay, 5 steps તમારા વધી જાય. Okay, 11th નો 8th લઈ લઉં છું. આપણે third પછી 8 લીધો છે. Okay, then left hand side, I will not write this one. Left hand side, હવે જો આના અંદર હું શું કરું છું, 1 plus sin theta whole upon 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta divided and multiplied by 1 plus sin theta plus here 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, આ બંને જો તમે આ divided by 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Okay, is equal to 1 plus sin theta whole square upon 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta whole square plus 1 minus sin theta whole square upon 1 minus sin square theta. The 1 plus sin square theta whole square upon cos square theta plus 1 minus sin square sin theta whole square upon cos square theta. I will remove the square root sign. 1 plus sin theta whole square, that is your cos theta, plus 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Cos theta is your LCM. 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta cancel. 2 upon cos theta is equal to 2. Sec theta is equal to right hand side. Such types of the other example also I will take from various book. બરાબર છે, જૂની ટેક્સ્ટ બુક માંથી પણ કદાચ હું લઉં. ઓકે, આજે આપણે અહીંયા સુધી કરશું. અને પેલા પ્રેક્ટિસ બુક માંથી જે તમને પીડીએફ ફાઇલ્સ માં આપેલા છે 16 કે 17 નંબર ભૂલી ગયો છું. તેના અંદર આ એક્સરસાઇઝ આપી છે, તે એક્સરસાઇઝ તમે ચાલુ રાખજો કરવાની. પ્રેક્ટિસ મેક પરફેક્ટ. Okay, day after tomorrow or tomorrow I will start the new lessons, new chapter. Okay.